So there's the sun, yet there's the snow. And if you ask me, the temperature right now is -8. But temperature dropping to -8 doesn't mean that it will snow all the time. There are snowy days. Toronto overall gets about 20 to 22 snowy days each winter, and for the past couple of days it hasn't snowed. This isn't fresh snow that you are seeing, obviously. Come, let's have a walk through our neighborhood. And this is a men's jacket that I'm wearing. We got it in India from Decathlon. Decathlon has pretty good stuff, and they'll also mention the temperatures that your jacket can insulate you up to. So my jacket can insulate me up to -18 degrees centigrade while walking, and Mukut's is -30. That's commendable. We never thought that we would get such jackets in India, and at such affordable prices. If you go for Columbia, North Face, they are very expensive. And these are down jackets, by the way. These are down feather jackets. So I hope that this will take us through this winter at least. Now, talking about our boots, my boots have been a steal deal, though I got it as a gift. My jacket was a gift too. So these boots, they insulate you like nothing. Yes, nothing else. These have been bought from, these are snow boots, very well insulated and less chances of getting slippery on the snow. So, and you know, with these I don't even need to wear socks. Coming to Mukut's boots. So Mukut's shoes were bought before we traveled to Ladakh, and for that purpose. So it was written that these are snow boots and well insulated. So Mukut, could you tell about the brand and the price that you got for these?
The name of the brand is a little funny. It's called Bakabuki, and the price of the same is around, I think, 2600 INR.
So very cheap, yes, and that's why
very cheap.
That's why it's not working here.
I don't recommend them because they are not working well here in Canada. It worked well in Ladakh, but Canada is even colder. This month, Toronto faced a massive snowstorm. Toronto Pearson Airport faced the third largest snow event since 1937, with a record-breaking 12.9 inches of snow recorded. All people came out of their houses and started clearing the snow. This might look fun, but indeed does require a lot of hard work. I also helped my Airbnb host to clear the snow, so I know. There are some species as well who prefer to walk on the snow when the roads have already been cleared.
So we are new immigrants, right? And we seem to take advantage and enjoy whatever comes in our path. But this snow actually takes a toll on people's lives very soon, especially people who don't have a car. After coming to Canada, you cannot immediately buy a car. You need to build a credit score. Until that time, you either spend lots of money traveling by a cab, or you can avail the public transport just as we are doing and waiting for our next bus to come.
For a 40-kilometer distance, Uber or Lyft usually would charge around $50. In our upcoming videos, we'll talk about SIM, postpaid plans, Presto cards, India to Canada money transfer, house hunting and Airbnb experience. So keep an eye, and if not done yet, subscribe to Kaleidoscope.